most calendars out there, I mean, the most common calendar out there is Calendly. All right. It's a fantastic. All right. Anyone who doesn't have Calendly, it really helps you organize. Problem is, Calendly on its own doesn't hook into anything. Okay. You could, if you wanted to, there are ways of hooking in Calendly, by the way. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. I know how to do that. But most people don't realize that. They just log in the Calendly, they set up their calendar request. Here's the link that they send to people. All right. But what happens is, yeah, it goes into your calendar, and yes, there's email confirmations. But if you think that that person is a lead or a client and you want them into CRM, either you have to write some code to have it go into your CRM, or your CRM, if there's some CRMs, especially one that I use, that I can link in its own calendar, which kind of mimics Calendly. And every time someone sets a one-to-one with you, it adds a contact into your CRM. Now, you can also, just like Calendly, you could set a reminder to say, hey, look, this meeting that we scheduled, a week from now, here is the stuff. And then, a day beforehand, an email goes out. And then an hour before, if you want, an email goes out. How about an hour after you already talked, or a day after you talked? And what do you want to send them? You can set that up automatically. Hey, we have, thank you for spending the time with me. It was great. Ba 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 ba. Here are the 5 things that we talked about. The areas of my services. Click on these links if you want. If you want to go into any more of them, let me know. Boom. Again, that's how you keep that going in the leads process. And then here's another thing. You can have multiple ones, and you can go back and we talked about before what a tag is. I can go in and make another tag for this person, and I can kick off another email sequence based on what they were interested in. So it really is, that's what I mean about setting up your CRM. You can really have a lot of workflow and stuff that you can do to make the CRM work for you 24/7.